Welcome back to Dank Scott Traders Hub. Yeah, it's your boy Dan here at Dank Scott Traders Hub. Hope you guys are having a good time. Yeah, so BTC analysis. I believe you guys have been following it up with me. Together we've been seeing how it's been going. So, on this very moment, I want to remind you that if this is your first time to join us here on this very channel, you can please go ahead and subscribe. And of course, if you don't mind, you can still go ahead and like and share so that we can grow the community together. So, without any further ado, let's now check it. And sorry for the delay today. I had a power issue. Power is on and off, but had to find a way to work it out. So that's why we are late today to do the analysis. So BTC, let's start all the way from a weekly time frame. Yeah, just like we analyzed, you guys, it has happened, and clearly we see that that level there has been broken out. Oh yes, we talked about this and it has happened. Even though price didn't go all the way there where we wanted, but we saw that perfect breakout. If you can go to the daily, you can see the retest came back inside that level once again. So that retest came all the way back inside. So all that we can do now is we can delete that, and actually we can now use these levels like that. We can now use those levels like that according to the weekly, according to the daily time frame. And we can also have this, and now we'll be knowing that price is likely to come all the way right here. Is likely to come all the way right here. And we already know that, we already anticipated that price is going to be coming all the way here because of due to the previous analysis. So if you missed the previous analysis on how we identified price to come all the way here, please go and check on the previous episodes. You will be able to see that. Remember, we have a fair value gap right here. So there's that level there that price is about to. We'll be actually looking at, mitigating the liquidity on that order block. On that fair value gap. So, just like I've told you, we are selling, and I told you these sales are likely to go on all the way to 70, all the way to 70k, all the way down below here. These sales are likely to continue all the way to 70k. So you need to be ready for anything. So as we speak, we have a breakout. As we speak, we have a break of structure right there. As we speak, that is a break of structure right there. And that can literally tell us what we can anticipate, that sales are going to continue. So we may get some consolidation when we get to this fair value gap. When we get to this fair value gap, we may get some consolidation, and then later on, selling started from right about there. Yes. So congrats guys on your profits. This was an external one this was the change of character right here. This is the previous high there. This is the previous low. So it was taken out. That was a change of character. So what do we do? When we go to H4, we know that price may react back to this level. So all you want is, if you haven't entered yet, you can anticipate a retracement back to that level. Then make your entry again. Make your entry again of sales. Now, sales, we know that we want them all the way down below. We want them all the way down to that level right there. That's what we want. So what do we do now? Go to H1, look at price, look at that. That's where we had a change of character. Price reacted to that change of character, went ahead, started to give us break of structures right there. and now we are on to that. So all we did is that, exactly what we need. This level has already been mitigated. That very level right there has already been mitigated. So we can now just wait for the pullback of this kind of pullback to this kind of to this level right here. And that's how I'm anticipating to make an entry on this on BTC. So if I go all the way straight to M15, clearly we had an entry there. Right from there, it has been moving smoothly. You can see that it's been moving smoothly, and clearly according to price action on M15, we are in a downtrend. Clearly you have a choke there, the change of character there, and the external change of character right here, and then what follows is lower high, lower lows, and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And now it's giving us a new lower low, and once it gives us a new lower low, then we'll be anticipating a lower high creation at a later stage, and that's how we will make our entry. Yeah, so now the issue where we are currently is, according to CCI, it is a bit tricky. So CCI may not help us on what we want, so we may have to look for a point of interest. Across right there. So this may be the point of interest that can help us right there where we are currently. That may be some certain point of interest right there. So what do we do there? We wait. We can see a pullback there. We are seeing a pullback there, and the M5 should give us an entry. If we see a change of character on M5, then you want to enter your pullback trade. To take you right to that level right there, and you wait for sell entries. So today we are going to see, in a short hours, in just a few minutes or hours, we'll be seeing this kind of move to bring us back to 90k, and then we can later on come again with the sales to take us all the way down to probably 70k, just like that, probably all the way back to 70k. We'll be waiting and seeing how it all unfolds. But as of now, I can now delete. I can leave it for now. I needed to pull back there, it never happened, so I can delete all that. This move is gonna happen. This move right here is gonna happen. So do that. Yes, M1 is actually giving almost that. So there's gonna be this kind of move, and then entry for the buys. So let's wait. That is all the way, the analysis all the way to M1, and look at that. After touching the breaker block, sellers started to push. So let's look at that. So it may even go all the way back here, or just react from that level only. So you have that breaker block, but also you have this level right about there, where the sells started from. So either from there, come in with a sell, reach this level. These are for scalpers. Don't enter such trades if you're not a scalper. You will face it rough. Don't enter. So I'm gonna put my sell limit right here. Let me just reduce on the let's put 5 there. Yes, it has started. I can put there. I can put another one here. Put another one there, and my limit has not been activated. It has even gone way above than where I wanted. just a minute, I think this call. Oh man, I see it is skyrocketing. It is skyrocketing. Where is it headed to? It wants to go all the way up there? Oh man. Alright. So let's see. Let me use my feed. I understand what is happening. Let's look at that. It has already reached that. So I think a cell even here can work right there to bring it all the way down. Yeah. So I'm gonna put my stop losses just around that level right there. I'm gonna put my stop losses right there. I'm not going to exceed that level. I'm not going to exceed that level at all. If it comes there, it has to take me out. It has to take me out. Yeah. So all I want is a pullback later on, right here, to bring me back here so that I can enter my cells properly. Oh, there is a fair value gap here, but it was mitigated. And just like that, I've been taken out. Okay, so that's a mess. Anyways, okay, the break of structure of M5 has just come. So let's look at M15. Oh, M15, it has this. It has that. Okay, I misjudged it. So I've learned my lesson there, and clearly it is coming right there. So I've taken up my losses. All I want now is I'm not going to enter again any buys. I'm going to be patient and wait for. I'm not going to enter any sales. I'm going to be patient and wait for them right here. There's a fair value gap right there as we speak where we are currently. There's a fair value gap right there, but also there's an order block on 15M right there. So there is a possibility of going all the way back there, back to this level right here, and then come down, or coming all the way from there where we are on that fair value gap on M5, and then come down to give us an entry for the buy to take us all the way up there according to H1, all the way up there according to H1. So let's be patient now, because I've been taken out. This has been so volatile. It has been so volatile. Look at that. It has been so volatile. It gave us a change of character right here on on M1. Gave us a change of character, but did not come back again. So we are going to be waiting for it. Once it comes back, that's how we will enter our buy trade to take us all the way up there on H1. I think that's it. I don't know if you guys had a great time. We'll be here. We'll be continuing with it and looking at how we can make an entry better, sales highly. We'll be looking for sales for some good time. So note that and just stay put. Don't overtrade. Don't force any trade. Just keep waiting for those confirmations, and then you'll be having some good entries and some good opportunities to make money today from this currency, from this BTC asset. Otherwise, let me wish you guys a good trading day. Just a few reminders that every day, Monday to Friday, we always have the BTC analysis. I mean the synthetic indices analysis, where we share signals, live signals in real-time signals as we analyze, and of course Monday to Friday at 10:30 to 11:30 a.m. East African time. And of course, as we speak, Feb mentorship classes is being done with this week. This is the last week that we are in that class, and we'll be having the March class starting on 3rd. Yeah, we'll not have any breather. It's only just a weekend, and then on 3rd March we'll start the March class, mentorship class. So if you want, you can still join in and register to analyze just like me and get to know the strategies I use in trading on all assets, whether forex, whether synthetics, whether BTC, whether crypto. Yeah. And then lastly is the BTC, the signal group. The VIP signals are starting on March. In March we are starting the VIP signal. So I'll be unveiling the group on Saturday. For those that have already paid, will be added into the group, the platform of signals. And then on Saturday still, we'll be having a session where I'll be taking those that have paid or those that want to join. I'll be taking you through how we'll be doing these signals. I'll be sharing them and how we make money from the signals that I'll be sharing. Yeah, that will be on Saturday. So if you want to join, please use the number still on your screen there to call or WhatsApp or do anything and get yourself registered. Like I told you, like you've seen on the WhatsApp channel. If you're not on the WhatsApp channel, please go to the description and you'll be able to see the link that can take you to join our WhatsApp channel, where all these details have been going on and on. I've been posting them. So the fee for the VIP is only $15 per month, but if you want to pay for a whole year, you have a chance to do that by paying $150. So you have a discount of $30 if you choose to pay the whole 12 months. Yeah, let me wish you guys a wonderful day, happy trading day, and please always apply risk management, just like we did there. If we had not put a stop loss, we would have lost a lot of money. But anyway, I was using a small lot size, so it was not that big. So the pullback is starting, just like you see there. I've got BTC, the pullback is starting, just like you see there. It's going to start and come all the way down below, and then we can enter the buys later on. So just hang in there, don't make some unnecessary mistakes or decisions. Just hang in there. Have a wonderful day, happy trading. See you Friday for the BTC. We'll be back here for the BTC on Friday, same time, 1:30. 1 to 1:30. And of course, for synthetics, see you tomorrow, same time, 10:30 to 11:30. Happy trading.